Hello, this is Tony of Tony's Tutorials. I'm on version 3.4.0 of Create Studio 3, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you how to get to the newest updates of Create Studio. The way to do that is you log on and you get to this screen here, and as you can see on the left hand side there's a row of different settings that you can go to and things you can do. Well, if you have a look there, you've got support is the third from bottom, and you click on that and it'll take you to the support website. You can sign in if you want to, but you don't need to. But what you need to do then is just say click on the search bar and click on latest update, and there you go. And it says where to download the latest version. You click on that and it goes down and it'll show you where to download it. Well, the latest version of the bottom corner of the app's homepage. Yeah, so if you want to download it, it tells you how to do it there. Look, you can click there. Look, of course, you can always download that version without opening the app by going directly to this URL. So you click on that URL, and then you go here, and you got your Mac version and your Windows version. Then all you got to do is just click that, and it'll download it to your computer. And then before you run that particular version, you need to make sure that Create Studio is off, not running like it is at the moment on here. So I need to take that off and then click on the version that I've already downloaded, which I will do like this. Look, so we go on here, save it. So you're more right because I've already took it off. But if it was on, you could still download it. But once it's downloaded, run that without Create Studio on. Okay. That is what you need to do. But this is the easiest way to find the latest updates by going on the app and going to the download page. Okay, so I'll redo that again in a moment just to show you where it was. So go on to Create Studio 3 there, click on that, comes up, and it's the first screen that comes up after this bit. Right, and there is the support, that one. If you go on that support there, just click on it and it'll come up with the website, and all you do is click on the search and just put in latest updates, and it'll come up telling you how to get the latest updates, and it'll give you a link, and all you do is click on the link and choose your option for which operating system you're using and download it, and that's as simple as it is. Okay, well, I hope that helps anyway. If it does, please like and subscribe to Tony's Tutorials, part of Tony's Music. Okay, thank you.